आई डोंट नो मेरे साथ ये हमेशा ही क्यों होता है. आई जस्ट रीड और मेट्रो अभी भी चली गई and the next train is in 8 minutes and I'm like super late.
Guys, met another subscriber. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Parvati.
Parvati.
So sorry, I want to vlog but I'm like super late right now and the bus is not gonna wait for
Veg
me.
sandwich because I'm vegetarian. His chicken sandwich because he's non-vegetarian. अब हम एक दो photos ले लेते हैं. Now having pom juice, pomegranate. Oh my God! Hi, senior.
Should pay you
How
for
are
this
you?
content. No, you should pay for that.
This is the central vlog. By the way, मैं यहाँ पे last time भी आया था. I'm like damn scared क्योंकि हम लोग बैकअप का भी बैकअप लेके चल रहे हैं. I'm using my mics to capture the audio. उसका कैमरा यूज कर रहे हैं. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new vlog. I know आप लोगों ने टाइटल देख लिया होगा. So let's get started with the day. First half till 12 o'clock I have my BCom classes. So right now it's 7 o'clock. I'm leaving for college and उसके बाद I'll keep you updated. So right now let's go. I've gotten already. I'll show you my outfit once I reach. अभी चलिए चलते हैं. Done with first hour. 3 more to go. Right, vlogger in the family. भाई मैं तो लगता भी नहीं, ये तो प्रो व्लॉगर लग रहा है.
नहीं मैं तो बीट.
Guys, मेरा तो खाना हो चुका है. मेरा दोस्त का अभी तक आया ही नहीं है. एंड आज थोड़ी एम्बैरेसमेंट हो सकती है क्योंकि मैं ट्राइपॉड पे रख के शूट कर रहा हूँ. एंड पीपल आर जस्ट लुकिंग एट, बट दैट्स ओके. जोहान गया चाय या कॉफी के लिए. मेरा हो गया यार. मैंने 2 वड़ा खा लिए. ऑलरेडी रेडी था एंड इट वाज लाइक सुपर क्विक. अभी मैं आपको मिलता हूँ. नहीं, अभी वी हैव लाइब्रेरी आर एंड उसके बाद 4th आर है एंड देन आई एम डन फॉर द डे. Done with the classes and now let's go home. Guys, met another subscriber. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Parvati.
Parvati. Felt really nice. Thank you so much for coming and say hi. I am going home now. Catch you later.
A few inches later.
So sorry, I want to vlog but I'm like super late right now and the bus is not gonna wait for me. Let me run and catch you later. I missed the metro also. I don't know मेरे साथ ये हमेशा ही क्यों होता है. I just read और metro अभी भी चली गई and the next train is in 8 minutes and I'm like super late. Like hell late. My teachers को पता चल गया they're gonna blast me. Currently मैं इतना ज़्यादा late हूँ कि that I won't be able to catch college bus. So college bus की तरफ जाने से अच्छा है कि मैं directly college ही चला जाऊँ. By the way, I'm going to Central Campus for an event which is happening at 4 o'clock. And right now it's 3 o'clock. I have exactly 1 hour to reach there and it's gonna go till 9 p.m. So I'm hell tired. Morning में classes attend किया. Now I've gotten ready and again back to all this chaos. I was just 5 minutes late to be honest. वरना मैं पहुंच जाता. But never mind. मेरी किस्मत खराब है तो है.
Guys, by the way, this is the auditorium where today's session is going to happen. The previous part is going on and the console is I'm like damn scared क्योंकि हम लोग बैकअप का भी बैकअप लेके चल रहे हैं. I'm using my mics to capture the audio. उसका कैमरा यूज कर रहे हैं. Like we have all the tripod and all. बस ये चेक करना है कि माइक लाइक कैमरा माइक की ऑडियो पकड़ रहा है कि नहीं. अगर नहीं पकड़ रहा तो we'll have to keep a phone. It's just a big case. Guys, this is the green room. मतलब अगर किसी को रेडी होना तो performance होते we come here to go and we can take it from here. I want to show you my outfit. आज तो मैं वही है जो मैंने बताया था इस black but the only difference is the white. Venezia our senior she is practicing जैसे वो खत्म हो जाएगा we can grab something because मुझे बहुत cold है. I don't want to eat anything in Nandini or other places. Take photos so that I can take some stories and make you guys feel jealous. Why do you see any people? हमारा इवेंट स्टार्ट होने में भी आधा घंटा और बचा है, so we are planning to grab something and I can see my.
What will food?
I think this is cafeteria. Oh. The cafeteria is so small. The merchandise shop. What else? Oh, इनका cafeteria इतना छोटा क्यों है? I feel ours is bigger, but they're better.
क्या बोल?
What do you call it? Or we can do milkshake. So down, you like?
Come get over here.
Veg sandwich because I'm vegetarian. His chicken sandwich because he's non-vegetarian. Ha ha ha! Joke of the day.
If you ask me to eat 7 days in a week,
But it's not good for your
What
health.
is?
It's
If
just
you
non.
want.
We have coffee. We have blonde. Nothing sponsored by the college. Everything is
travel.
not even travel.
Oh, for
At
you.
least ये college की बस में आया. I didn't even come in college बस. Everything is
Dinner is.
पापा के पैसों से. Dinner है. I'll show you कि dinner में क्या क्या है. I'll check. There were refreshments like samosas and all. पता नहीं कब देंगे, so it's better that we have. Nandini की cold coffee. I would give a average. First I'll have sandwich.
Yeah.
अब हम एक दो photos ले लेते हैं. Now having pom juice, pomegranate, and this is the central block. By the way, मैं यहाँ पे last time भी आया था. Okay, I get it. You might be here for some other reason, but I'm here for content. Last
Yeah.
video I posted, I got 500 views on the vlog.
This you will get 1 million with my blessing. Come now.
Inshallah.
Not 1 million, 100 million will come. Come and go.
Inshallah. I just hope. Oh my God! Hi, senior.
You should pay. You
How
are in
are
this
you?
content. No, you should pay for that.
Oh, really?
How are you?
Paisa. I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
How is
How are
Central?
you? मैं सेंट्रल से नहीं हूँ. Why
I
can
know.
say
I know. I've seen you.
Central is really good. Just a bit overcrowded.
Okay. Central or
Because you came
Yashwantpur?
so many
Central
times.
or Yashwantpur?
Yeshwanthpur. No
Perfect.
second thought.
No second thought. Yes, it's
might
good
have
to come here once a year.
Yes.
That is every day. Yes. What about you?
Yashwantpur for sure.
Yay!
We
Like
have
you
a-
better join
We
Yashwantpur.
have a greater bond towards the
Yeah,
roots. We
I know, right? It's like it's okay. If my house
You,
is
you should
smaller,
have greater bonds.
I have.
I know, right?
Come on,
You have ruled the whole DPS.
No, I have just,
Dictatorship.
no.
I say you do.
No, I never did that. No.
I say you do.
No.
I will vouch.
Come, let's go. Okay, see you. Bye. By the way, they are not my subscriber. They are my senior. One is senior and one is like classmate.
environment where uncertainty seems to be
Backstage work. भाई रात हो गई. You won't believe me. It's 8 o'clock right now. 8 o'clock. And पूरा भाई यहाँ की विंडोज भी साउंड कर रही हैं बिकॉज ऑफ हवा एंड फट रही है. Hi guys, right now it's 9:30 and अभी तक शूट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. Like there is BTS thing happening. मुझे कुछ रील शूट करके देनी है. भाई मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा थक गया हूँ कि there is no limit for that. I think I walked around 10 kilometers today.
डिनर खत्म नहीं होगा भाई.
नहीं होगा,
मर
तो
जाएंगे.
खाने का
डिनर
नहीं होगा. मेरा लिटरली खाना खाने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा है. मुझे बस घर जाना. एंड अनदर थिंग इज थैंक यू. Another thing is, it is gonna take me an hour to reach home. That's like a very long. Never mind. करते हैं जल्दी से खत्म.
1 hour later.
So it's 10:10 right now, and trust me, I never worked so much even in my sister's wedding. How much I worked today. I'll put a screenshot here just to show you how much steps I've done. I woke up today at 6 a.m. and it's almost 10 o'clock right now. अभी 1-1.5 घंटा लगेगा मुझे घर जाने में. I've forgotten the count of how many hours have I been live. Is it easy? Definitely not. अगर मैंने 3 कंटिन्यूसली ऐसे इवेंट कर लिया, आई स्वेयर आई हैव टू गेट हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. माय बैक इज गॉन, माय लेग्स आर हर्टिंग, माय ब्रेन इज ब्लास्टिंग.
Day 2.
This is my next day face, and I'm not able to talk. My voice is gone. But I reached home at 11:30 and then I just crashed. I had no energy. Well, that's it for this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon. See the look at efforts I'm putting even after so much. Such a long day is just for you guys so that even you can have a look and see how your day is gonna look like if someday you become a head of a club. And thank you. Chalo, bye. Today is Friday, and luckily, thank you God so much. St. Paul's Day, so we got a holiday. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll check if I can go or not, and Sunday to फिर छुट्टी है ही. So good day.